Smart move, upgrading your home before you sell. Bad move, making the wrong upgrades to your home. If you want top dollar for your home, making repairs and upgrades to your home is smart. But making the wrong home upgrades is a fast way to lose money and even decrease the value of your home. To help you avoid that, here are 4 home upgrade mistakes to not make. Number 1, improving too much. A house doesn't need every single thing upgraded in order to sell. Buyers like to see nice move-in ready homes. Number 2, doing it yourself and failing. Doing it yourself, a few of them around the house, is great and a fast way to increase your home's value, but the do-it-yourself items tend to turn into more extensive projects, especially if you make a mistake. Sometimes it ends up being cheaper to hire a professional from the start. Make sure you are realistic about your skills before you start a project and consider whether or not it would be better to hire the work out to a professional. Number 3, custom renovations. Since you're doing these upgrades with selling in mind, it doesn't make sense to do custom work on a house if you're not going to be in it long term. Instead, just take the stock options when you're renovating your kitchen or bathrooms. Number 4, high-end upgrades with no added value. Buyers love luxury, but they're not going to pay $20,000 over asking price just because you have a Sub-Zero fridge. Keep this in mind when choosing what to upgrade in your house. Most of the time, low mid-range choices will get you the best bang for your buck, while high-end will actually cost you more than you make back. Doing the right upgrades could seriously boost the value of your property and help you make more off the sale. But the wrong updates could cost you. Work with your real estate agent to determine just what upgrades are needed to get you the best return of investment when selling your home. Want some help deciding what to update in your house? Well, let's connect. I will give you suggestions on what buyers are looking for right now. Then you can make the right renovations and increase the value of your home. I'm Harpreet Christie with RE/MAX of Lloydminster.